Good morning, children. Welcome to this class. Fine morning. Today we will continue with the topic climate. Climate is the fourth topic. We have been started about the climate, weather, what are the factors affecting, etc. Now, in this class we will discuss about monsoons of India. Let us watch the video. Here you can see the learning models and learning tools.
The module includes introduction, climatic controls, factors affecting Indian climate, monsoon in India, seasons, distribution of rainfall, monsoon as a unifying point, and recapitulation.
This class we will start with this monsoons India.
India's climate is dominated by the monsoon winds. Monsoons are strong, often violent winds that change direction with the season. Arabian traders named this seasonal reversal of the wind system as monsoon. Monsoon has great significance for India. Indian farmers depend on the monsoon rains for irrigation purposes, as it is the major source of irrigation in the country. A great deal of India's electricity is generated by water power provided by the monsoon rains. Monsoon is experienced in the tropical areas roughly between 20° north and 20° south. Monsoon, as you know, is the seasonal reversal of the wind system. There are various factors which facilitate the seasonal movement of the winds over the Indian subcontinent. There are 5 facts to understand the mechanism of the Indian monsoons. The first one is the differential heating and cooling of the land and water. Second important factor is the shift of the position of Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ. Thirdly, the presence of the high pressure area at the east of Madagascar facilitates wind reversal. The intense heating of the Tibetan Plateau is also responsible for causing monsoon. Last but not the least, jet streams also influences the Indian monsoon regime.
Let us try to understand the impact of differential heating and cooling of land and water. Let us understand this in detail through the following animation on monsoon winds.
During winter, there is a high pressure area north of the Himalayas. Low pressure areas are over the oceans. Cold dry winds blow from this region to the low pressure areas over the oceans to the south. In summer, a low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as over northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer. Air moves from the high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean in a southeasterly direction, crosses the equator and turns right towards the low pressure areas over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as the southwest monsoon winds. These winds blow over the warm oceans, gather moisture and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India.
ITCZ. Let us understand the mechanism of monsoon in reference to the shift of the position of Intertropical Convergence Zone. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ, is over the Ganga plain in the south. The equatorial trough is normally positioned about 5 degrees north of the equator. It is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season.
The Intertropical Convergence Zone (ITCZ) is the area encircling the Earth near the equator where the northeast and southeast trade winds come together. It is a low-pressure belt that migrates with the changing position of the thermal equator. The thermal equator receives the most intense heat from the sun. Around 24th June each year, the sun is overhead at 23.5 degrees north, the tropic of Cancer. Around 22nd December, the sun is overhead at 23.5 degrees south, the tropic of Capricorn. Hence, the position of ITCZ shifts during the summers and winters. Moreover, the movement of the thermal equator shifts the belts of planetary winds and pressure systems to the north and to the south annually. Therefore, to understand the cause and impact of the ITCZ, we must first look at the trade winds and air masses over India. In July, the ITCZ is located around 20 degrees north to 25 degrees north latitudes over the Gangetic Plain. It is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season. During the shift of ITCZ, the trade winds of the southern hemisphere cross equator between 40 degrees east and 60 degrees east longitudes. These winds blow from southwest to northeast and are called the southwest monsoons. In the winters, the ITCZ moves southwards. The reversal of winds takes place from the northeast to south and southwest. These winds are called the northeast monsoons. Hence, ITCZ is a key component of the global circulation system.
A high pressure area is present in the east of Madagascar, approximately 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position of this high pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. Let us know about the effect of the Tibetan Plateau on the Indian monsoon. The Tibetan Plateau gets intensely heated during summers. The heating results into strong vertical air currents and the formation of high pressure of the plateau at about 9 km above the sea level. Let us know about the impact of the movement of jet stream on the Indian monsoon. Subtropical westerly jet stream moves north of the Himalayas in summer. Tropical easterly jet stream blows over the peninsula area, approximately over 14 degrees north during the summers. Southern oscillation. It is a change in the transfer of low and high air pressure conditions in certain areas in the eastern Pacific Ocean and the eastern Indian Ocean by rotation. A change in the pressure conditions over the southern oceans also affects the monsoons in India. When the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experiences high pressure, The tropical eastern Indian Ocean experiences low pressure. The intensity of southwestern monsoon can be measured by measuring the difference in the pressure between Tahiti in East Pacific and Port Darwin in northern Australia.
El Nino is a warm ocean current flowing over Peru in an interval of 2 to 5 years. The system involves oceanic and atmospheric variations. The appearance of warm currents off the coast of Peru in the eastern Pacific affects weather in many places, including India. Let us know more about El Nino and La Nina through the following video.
El Nino and La
Around the time of the arrival of monsoon, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and rains continuously. This is known as the burst of the monsoon. Islands receive the very first monsoon showers, progressively from the south to north between April and May. The withdrawal takes place progressively from north to south, from the first week of December to the first week of January. Let us know more about monsoon and the seasons of India in the following slides. Monsoon type of climate is characterized by a distinct seasonal pattern. There are 4 main seasons in India: winter season, summer season, autumn season, and rainy season.
Winter season in India begins from mid-November and stays till February. The coldest months are December and January. The average temperature is around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in the North India. During this season, the northeast trade winds prevail over the country, which blows from land to sea, as feeble high pressure develops over the northern part of India. Hence, it is dry season for most parts of the country. On the Tamil Nadu coast, these winds blow from sea to land, resulting in some amount of rainfall. Weather in the winter season is normally marked by clear sky, low temperature, low humidity, and feeble variable winds. It is also the time when the western disturbances originating in the Mediterranean Sea enter India. It causes winter rainfall over the plains and snowfall in the mountains.
Rainfall in the northwestern India is called Mahavat. It is good for the local rabi crops. Peninsular region does not have a well-defined cold season, as there is very less variation in annual temperatures. Let us have a look at the map showing the mean temperature of the month of January. Winds, January. Look at the map showing the conditions of winds in the month of January.
Summer season lasts from March to June. In western and southern regions, the hottest month is April, while for northern regions, May is the hottest month. Northern India experiences rise in temperature and falling air pressure during this season. In the peninsular India, temperatures remain low due to the influence of the oceans. Towards May end, an elongated low pressure develops in the Thar Desert in northwest, Patna, and Chotanagpur Plateau in the east and southeast. Circulation of air begins to set in around this trough of low pressure. Average temperature is around 32 to 40 degrees Celsius in most of the interior regions. Loo is the striking feature of this season. It is the strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India.
Children, just now we have seen the slides regarding the monsoons of India and followed by various seasons, various climatic conditions in the winter as well as summer. With this, we will wind up. Next class will continue the same topic.